In 2025, Luxembourg, a small yet economically powerful European nation, is seeing a massive rise in demand for modern warehouse roles, especially in packing automation and quality control due to booming e-commerce, advanced logistics, and cross-border trade. Let's talk about each of these jobs and explain clearly what the job is, who can apply, what education is needed, how to apply from any country in the world, and finally, how much you could expect to earn if you decide to move to Luxembourg for a better life. First, let's start with packing automation operator roles. These are the people who monitor, control, and sometimes program advanced packing machines that help large warehouses like those of Amazon Luxembourg, CFL Logistics, or Panalpina prepare goods for shipment. Your daily tasks might include setting up the machine, making sure the right packaging materials are in place, checking sensors, running test cycles, and fixing small stoppages. Anyone over 18, from anywhere in the world, male or female, can apply as long as you can communicate in basic English or French, which are the most common working languages in Luxembourg's warehouses, though speaking German can be an extra advantage. In terms of education, a basic high school diploma or equivalent secondary school certificate is enough for many entry-level operator roles. But having a short vocational certificate in automation, mechatronics, or mechanical maintenance, even if it's just a 3-month online course, can significantly boost your chances. How to apply? Start by making a professional CV in English or French highlighting any warehouse, production, or mechanical experience. Then, register and apply through Luxembourg's trusted job sites like jobfinder.lu, mu6job.com, jobs.lu, and even LinkedIn's Luxembourg jobs section. Many companies also partner with international recruitment agencies, so you can apply directly even from Asia, Africa, or South America. And if selected, the employer often helps with the work visa process. Salary-wise, in 2025, you can expect to earn about 2,300 to 2,700 euros gross per month as a packing automation operator, with night shifts, weekend bonuses, and overtime often pushing this higher. Next, let's talk about quality control inspector jobs, another high-demand category in Luxembourg warehouses. Quality inspectors check products, packaging, and sometimes machine calibration to make sure every item meets strict standards before shipment. They look for damage, wrong labels, leaks, or packaging defects, and often keep daily reports. Again, anyone from anywhere in the world can apply if you have a good eye for detail and basic computer skills to enter data. Education? Usually, a high school diploma or equivalent is enough, but a short course in quality management systems, HACCP, or ISO standards can really strengthen your application. Some companies prefer applicants with basic science or engineering backgrounds, but it's not strictly necessary for entry-level QC roles. To apply, the method is the same. Update your CV, mention your focus on detail and any experience in inspection, packing, or even retail, and submit through the same portals. Jobfinder.lu, mu6job.com, and directly on large logistics company websites like Kuna Plus Nagel, DB Schenker, and Post Luxembourg. QC inspectors in Luxembourg typically earn 2,500 to 2,900 euros gross per month to start, with experienced inspectors and team leads making up to 3,500 euro monthly. Moving on, let's discuss warehouse supervisor roles. Ideal if you already have several years of experience in warehouses anywhere in the world. Supervisors manage small teams of operators and pickers, handle scheduling, monitor performance, and help solve operational problems. To apply as a supervisor, you should ideally have at least 3 to 5 years of warehouse experience and sometimes a bachelor's degree in logistics, supply chain, or business management, although some companies accept diplomas plus strong experience. Application method is the same. Online job sites, direct HR contact, and agencies. Salaries for supervisors usually start from around 3,200 to 3,800 euros gross per month. Then, there are inventory control analysts, a more technical role involving data analysis and stock tracking. You need strong Excel skills, maybe basic knowledge of ERP software, and at least a diploma or bachelor's degree in business, IT, or logistics. They earn roughly 3,000 to 3,500 euros to start, going higher with experience. Now, let's look at forklift operators, always in demand. If you have a forklift license from your home country, it often helps, but many Luxembourg employers also pay for local certification. A high school diploma is usually enough, and salaries start around 2,400 to 2,700 euros per month. To apply from abroad, prepare proof of your forklift experience or license and mention willingness to take local certification. For those interested in technology, there are roles like warehouse automation technician or robotics maintenance technician. These positions involve troubleshooting robots and conveyor systems, usually requiring a diploma or bachelor's in mechatronics, automation, or electrical engineering. Salaries here start around 3,200 to 3,800 euros and can go much higher. Application is the same: CV, certificates, and applying through specialized portals or directly on employer websites. Another job that is getting popular is packing automation trainer. This is someone who trains new staff to use automation systems. You need strong communication skills, prior operator or technician experience, and ideally a technical diploma. Salaries can reach 3,000 to 3,500 euros monthly. Finally, don't forget warehouse health and safety officer roles. These require at least a diploma in occupational safety, knowledge of European safety standards, and sometimes certified training. Salaries for safety officers usually start around 3,000 to 3,500 euros per month. Across all these jobs, remember, anyone from anywhere can apply. Prepare a CV in English or French, list your skills and certificates, apply through jobfinder.lu, mu6job.com, jobs.lu, or directly on big company sites. Once you get a job offer, most employers help non-EU citizens apply for a Luxembourg work visa, which includes a job contract, proof of accommodation, and sometimes proof of funds. While speaking French or German helps, it's not always required for entry-level roles, as English is common in many logistics firms. With Luxembourg's high demand in 2025, many companies prefer motivated international candidates, especially for shift work. The living cost is higher than in some countries, but with salaries often above 2,500 euros even for starters, it balances out. You also benefit from European work rights, healthcare, and safe working conditions. So whether you're from Asia, Africa, South America, or elsewhere, if you have basic education, some experience or short certificates, and motivation to learn, you can apply now and move to one of Europe's richest and safest countries. And yes, all this is possible even without a university degree, thanks to modern packing automation and quality-focused roles that value skill, discipline, and willingness to train over formal education alone. Remember, always check visa rules, update your CV professionally, and apply early as demand peaks in spring and summer when warehouses scale up for holiday seasons. Packing automation operators, quality control inspectors, forklift drivers, inventory analysts, health and safety officers, robotics technicians, trainers, supervisors. All these roles are part of the huge 2025 warehouse boom in Luxembourg. With competitive salaries, employer-sponsored visas, and training, it's an opportunity for people worldwide to build new life in Europe. Don't hesitate. Start your search today on jobfinder.lu, mu6job.com, jobs.lu, and LinkedIn's Luxembourg section, or contact international recruitment agencies in your country. With a bit of preparation, you can join Luxembourg's modern logistics sector, earn a European salary, and live in a beautiful, multicultural environment. Note going on images, please focus on my voice, what I am saying. This is real data for 2025, research from current trends and recruitment reports. So, update your CV, prepare to learn, apply globally, and maybe your next workplace will be in the heart of Europe, running smart packing robots or ensuring product quality for millions of customers. And finally, don't forget to subscribe for more real guides about working abroad, job market updates, and practical steps to change your life.